Welcome to 143 South Morris. This is a very interesting old home. It was built back in 1906 and has some issues like fire damage. Also does not have a foundation and is in the wrong zoning district over here in downtown Mesa. We need to have commercial or multifamily. What we would like to propose to Mesa to improve the community would be bringing in 8 new units, one of which would be dedicated to a common laundry area and a office space for guests to have Wi-Fi and be able to send emails or perform professional tasks. And so let's take a look at the downstairs unit now. All these are going to be 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartments or studio style apartments. And so let's go through the living room area here, and we're gonna take a quick look at the kitchenette and circle back to the 10-foot setback on our southern wall, which we've incorporated as a lovely backyard for guests to enjoy with their pet or enjoy a nice meal outside in the awesome Arizona sunshine. So let's go back through the living room now into the bedroom. Here's our queen mattress and our closet with bifold doors, our ceiling fan. Let's go through the hallway here into the bathroom. And so one of the things I love about this design is we've consolidated the plumbing to stack from the upper to the lower unit. This should make the modular installation efficient as possible. And so let's take a look at what is basically the same floor plan upstairs, just shifted shape to accommodate the modular dimensions upstairs. So there's the kitchenette, and we'll travel through the bedroom now. And there's our similar closet with the bifold doors on the other side, and our cozy little bathroom that has everything you would need with nice modern fixtures, bright colors, very up to date in style. And we've got our patios upstairs that are going to accommodate for our common space. And here is the office, a place for people to send an email or fill out a job application, help them get to the next step. And here's our laundry area, which is going to be right next to some more common space where there's a barbecue and other features for guests to enjoy. Some park benches you can sit at and read a book. One of the great things about this property is back in the 80s we actually did get hooked up to city sewer. So Mesa was awesome and came out and verified all that, and we had the sewer lines cameraed and recorded that those lines are all clear. And so that data was used in conjunction with the design process to make sure that we could come up with the most efficient design possible that will accommodate all of the zoning needs, from parking requirements and setbacks to being able to efficiently hook up the property to sewer and water and power. So we like this design, and we think it improves the community by incorporating a more sustainable product that only needs about 25% of the lumber that would be used for a traditional build. Our modular units are well insulated with R15 insulation in the walls and R19 insulation in the ceilings, or our 2x6 rafters. All aspects of engineering will be provided. Calculations on everything structural, mechanical, plumbing, electrical will be submitted to the Arizona Department of Housing. Upon building plan approval, we will reapproach Mesa and request our modular install permit. This project is similar to the product we're building in downtown Phoenix as well. Very similar floor plan, same modular production, and maximizes the potential for this type of small infield lot that would otherwise be passed over. By utilizing this type of modern modular construction, we can provide a product that's more efficient and sustainable.